Welcome to dotcom builders. In this video, I will share with you how to add a smooth scrolling anchor links in Hostinger website builder. This is what I mean with a smooth scrolling anchor link. For example, if I click on this review menu in the navigation menu, I was automatically scrolled to this reviews section in this page. Instead of seeing this page then manually scrolling, when I click on this reviews link, I was automatically scrolled. Without any further ado, let's start this tutorial. First, log in to your Hostinger account, then go to websites and click on this edit website button next to your website. The first step to create a smooth scrolling page is to first create an anchor for your specific section. In my case, I will link to this reviews section. So I will select it like that. Then click on add or edit section. Go to the anchors tab. And here I will give this section an anchor name. For example, reviews. Now close this window. Now where you want to click to create your link, for example, in my case, I will create reviews here. I will go to pages and navigation, then click on add link. So I will call it, for example, reviews. And here, instead of linking to a page, select section. And here you will see the available anchors on your website. This is the reviews one. You can select between opening this link in a new tab. I will keep it in the same tab. You can make this link no follow to keep your SEO juice, website juice combined. And here you can hide this page. In my case, I will not hide it. After that, click on save. And don't forget to update your website. Now let's view my website live. Now if I click on reviews, I was automatically scrolled here to the exact reviews section. Now let's repeat this with another section. For example, let's check this or this contact page. Let's say that I want to link to this Google map. Now I will select this section, click on edit section, go to anchor, give this section a name, for example, map, close this section. Now, instead of adding our link to the navigation menu, I will create a button in my home page. Yes, in my website homepage. For example, this book, I will edit it to I will give it location, our location. And here from or below link to, I will select section and I will find my map anchor name. Close this window, click on add or update website and view the website live. Now let's click on our location. I was automatically scrolled to this map to the exact location. Now I will see how to create, or below this I will link how to create a text link. For that, click on add element, drag and move this text element. So here I will for example visit or check our map location. Before we continue, I want to let you know that you can get access to my Hostinger website builder masterclass online course today for free. Inside this course, you will learn many things, including how to get started with Hostinger, templates and branding, editing page content, menus and navigation, advanced layout features, contact and communication, e-commerce setup, blogging, SEO, analytics, and site management. To get access to all of this today for free, plus my other online courses about Hostinger web hosting or Hostinger Horizons, just visit this page academy.dotcom.builders and you will see how to join and get all of this today for free. Without any further ado, let's continue our video. Map location. select the text, make it white. Now here in the link, I will select link to a section and this map section. Click on save. This is my link. Update the website. And let's view my website. If I click on this text link, I was automatically scrolled to the map location. And this is how to add a smooth scrolling anchor link in Hostinger website builder. If you still have a question, leave it in the comments below and don't forget to give this video a like. Thank you.